Error 2012, often called video viewer timeout, occurs when Discord times out while you're trying to watch someone's stream or start your own. This means that your Discord app could not properly establish or maintain the stream connection. So try the solutions one by one, checking if the problem is resolved after each. First, you need to restart your Discord and your computer. And if that does not work, restart your computer and try again. Close the Discord and reopen it. Also, try clearing the Discord cache app data on Windows. Go ahead, close Discord. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard, then simply enter %appdata% and hit enter. Now, from this page, you need to simply go ahead and search for Discord, and there delete the subfolders like cache code cache and GPU cache. Then restart Discord. You can also try disabling VPN proxy and firewalls. Turn off any VPN or proxy you're using as they can interfere with the Discord server connection. And check your firewall and antivirus setting to ensure that the Discord is allowed. You can also open your device manager here. Simply open your display adapter and then right-click on it and select your GPU and select Update Rival. Do the same for your network adapters as well. Last but not least, you can try reinstalling Discord and delete any remaining Discord data in the app, %data%, and local data%. Download the latest version from discord.com and install Discord and check the Discord server status. Sometimes the problem is on Discord's end, so visit the Discord status to see if there is any ongoing issue that needs to be resolved. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.